Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve display on ChatGPT app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to ChatGPT app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you find the updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.